I'm Timmy Kuo.
And today we are going to talk about the breathing take wells from the Hainyo culture in Taiwan to ocean acidification.
So, we are the first generation to feel the impact of climate change and the last that can do something about it. It means we are the only generation with the chance to be heroes. If we fail, it will be almost impossible to turn things around. Now, we must take the responsibility.
And these are our team members, our contacts. Environmental trends have brought us face to the problem of ocean acidification. Nowadays, in pursuit of fast fashion, many people contribute to even more carbon dioxide emissions, which worsens ocean acidification. As a result, shellfish struggle to survive, and this indirectly affects the livelihoods of Hainyo in Taiwanese Sadumi region. And before we jump into our problems, let's talk about what is ocean acidification. Ocean acidification is when carbon dioxide dissolves in seawater. It reacts with water. This gradually lowers the ocean pH, making the water more acidic.
The first problem is fast fashion emits a large amount of carbon dioxide. Fast fashion is cheap, so many people buy more clothes and throw them quickly. But making clothes creates a lot of carbon dioxide. And when we threw them out, they got burned, creating even more carbon dioxide. But now, not many students know this happening.
So, the solution is to have students collect second-hand clothes and tell them the story about ocean and the ocean acidification. This helps them understand the importance of recycling clothes and what we plan to do with the clothes afterward.
The next problem is environmental change Henyo's life. Who is Henyos? Henyos is a women who dive for shellfish and seaweed are losing their income because the ocean is absorbing too much carbon dioxide. Shells get thinner and seaweed disappears, and their work becomes more dangerous.
So, the next solution is to recruit volunteers to design and build a large-scale landscapes art installation. Every volunteer must bring at least one piece of unwanted clothing to donate, then use those garments as the very materials for our artwork. By transforming old clothes into a stunning visual display, we will create a powerful and unforgettable statement that really sticks in people's mind.
The last problem is students lack awareness of the ocean. We can see most people haven't even heard of it. We found in the school survey that only 33% of students know what ocean acidification is. And even worse, only 20% of students care about ocean issues, and just 40% have take action. That is too low.
The last solution is to build our own DIY experiment device. It's easy to make, low cost, and simple to understand. Through the data and the charts we get from the experiment, we can explore more serious problems caused by ocean acidification. It also helps break the stereotypes that science experiments are expensive and difficult to do.
And now let's talk about our experience. And this photo is one of our project showcase, which held with other 4 senior high school. In this event, we mainly talk about the ocean acidification, and we promoted our device. And this event was held by the International Pacific Marine Educator Network. In this event, we held a workshop where we introduced our device and invited professors and scholars from different countries to try out our experiments. And about the expectation effects. So we divide the expectations into 2 parts. And the first one is the capability range of high school students, which is solve the problem with simple STEAM courses, which stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, such as lectures, workshop, and social media. That doesn't require that much money. And the second one will be completed with some sponsorship and artist assistance. Recently, we are working on a large-scale landscape arts with the assistance of the artist CHUN-CHIAO. In this project, creative media are mostly second-hand clothes and marine waste. Through large-scale landscape art, this project highlights the transformation of waste recycling while integrating civic engagement and scientific literacy. Last, we hope that with our meager, we can remind people of the importance of protecting marine resources and preserving the culture of Henio. And this is our resources.
So the last sentence we give to everybody is the ocean is a silent victim of climate change. It means a lot of environmental harms hide in plain sight. What doesn't speak is often forgotten. But silence isn't safety. It's just a calm before the collapse. Thank you.